So do you also sell your digital products using FlexiFunnels? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to enroll ThriveCart Learn user on FlexiFunnels purchase. So here I'm selling online courses on FlexiFunnels that I've created using ThriveCart. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new purchase through FlexiFunnels, then automatically the person who has made the purchase should be enrolled as a new user in my ThriveCart account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my FlexiFunnels account with my ThriveCart Learn account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically enroll a ThriveCart Learn user whenever a purchase is made on FlexiFunnels. This integration ensures that users get instant access to their courses without any manual work, making the process seamless and efficient. So stay with me as I walk you through the step-by-step setup. So here, as you all know, that I sell online courses using ThriveCart Learn and using FlexiFunnels for my sales page and checkout process. So when customer buys a course, I want them to get immediate access without having to manually add them to ThriveCart Learn. So by automating this process, as soon as a purchase is made on FlexiFunnels, the buyer is automatically enrolled in my ThriveCart Learn course. This saves me time, eliminates manual work, and ensures my students get instant access, creating a smooth and hassle-free learning experience. So here I've already built an automation where I've connected my FlexiFunnels account with my ThriveCart Learn Plus account using an automation software. And now here in this video, firstly, we are going to see the working of this amazing automation to understand the entire process more clearly. So here to test the automation, what we are going to do is that we are going to make a test purchase over here, and here my objective is as soon as I'm going to purchase this course, then automatically a new user should be enrolled in my ThriveCart Learn Plus account. So here I'm going to make the test payment. So here I'm going to click on this buy now. And here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummyyuser555@pabblytudes.com. Here for the phone number, I'm going to enter a random phone number. Here for the address, I'm going to enter a random address, scrolling little down. Here for the payment, I'm going to enter a test card number, random month, random year, random CVC, and a zip. And then I'm going to click on this complete order. And here you can see it says thank you for your purchase. That means we have successfully made a purchase over here. So now let's go and check our ThriveCart Learn Plus account. Here I'm going to click on this My Students. And here you can see we have successfully created a new user over here with the name dummy user and the email as dummyyuser555@pabblytudes.com. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. Now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this amazing automation by simply connecting your FlexiFunnels account with your ThriveCart Learn Plus account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or setting notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen, you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/ina/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as Enroll ThriveCart Learn user on FlexiFunnels purchase. And now here after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So here at the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this Learn More hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's build our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as FlexiFunnels, as I'm receiving new purchase order through FlexiFunnels. So FlexiFunnels is an easy to use platform for creating sales funnels and landing pages without needing any coding skills. So here in my FlexiFunnels trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new purchase, so that whenever a new purchase is made through a FlexiFunnels, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Okay, so now here after selecting a trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my FlexiFunnels account with Pabbly Connect. So I'm following the instructions given below. Firstly, I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my FlexiFunnels account. So this is my FlexiFunnels account, and here in the products, you can see all the products that I'm selling using FlexiFunnels. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select the product which is named as PHP programming. So I'm going to click on this edit, and then from here I'm going to click on the set rules given the left side bar, and here in the set rules I'm going to click on the set product rules over here. And then a dialog box has appeared in front of us, and here you can see it is asking me to select the when condition. So here for the when condition, I'm going to select product is purchased, and here for the pricing option, I'm going to select for all pricing options. And then here for the use field, I'm going to select the use as webhook, and then here you can see it is asking me to enter the webhook name and the webhook URL. So here let's suppose that I'm going to give a name to my webhook, that is new purchase, and then here for the webhook URL field, I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I received in my Pabbly's workflow. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save. And with this, we have successfully added a new webhook in our FlexiFunnels account, or you can say we have successfully connected our FlexiFunnels account with Pabbly Connect. And now here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to make a test purchase using our FlexiFunnels page. So for that, let me take you back to my FlexiFunnels page. And here in my FlexiFunnels page, I'm going to click on this buy now option given over here. And then I'm going to enter another dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as lead, email as testlead555@pabblytudes.com. Here for the phone number, I'm going to enter random phone number. And here for the address, I'm going to enter random address, scrolling little down. And then here for the payment, I'm going to enter the test card number, a random month, a random year, random CVC, and a random zip. And then I'm going to click on this complete order. And here you can see it says thank you for your purchase. That means we have successfully made a test purchase over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the zip, transaction ID, state, scrolling little down. Here you can see some other details such as the product title, ID, price, phone number, order ID, last name, first name, email address, and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new purchase through our FlexiFunnels, then automatically I want to add the person who has made the purchase as a new user in my ThriveCart Learn Plus account. So for that, I need to connect my ThriveCart Learn account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as ThriveCart Learn Plus. So ThriveCart Learn Plus is an online course platform that helps businesses and creators sell and manage digital courses with ease. So here in my ThriveCart Learn Plus action step, I'm going to select my action event as create a new student, so that whenever I'm going to receive a new purchase through FlexiFunnels, then automatically the person who has made the purchase is going to be added as a new user or a student in our ThriveCart Learn Plus account. Okay, so now here to connect our ThriveCart Learn Plus account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your ThriveCart Learn Plus account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API token. So I'm following the instructions given below. Here I've already logged in my ThriveCart Learn account, and from here I'm going to click on my profile icon, and from here I'm going to select settings. Now here under settings, you can see we have received the option for API and webhook. So I'm going to select it, and from here I'm going to select API keys. And here I'm going to generate a new API key by clicking on this create a API key. Here I'm going to give a name to my API key, that is new user. And then I'm going to click on this create API key. So this is the API key. So I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow. And here I'm going to enter the API token. Now after entering the token, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the email address, course ID, name and other details. So now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new purchase through FlexiFunnels, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map the email address of my customer. So this is the email address. So I'm going to map it moving forward. And then here it is asking me to enter the course ID. So here in the help text it says enter the course ID here, example this. You can get the course ID by editing your course and from the URL. So now here to get this course ID, let me take you back to my ThriveCart account. Here I'm going to click on this learn. And here under my courses, I'm going to select a particular course, and then I'm going to click on this edit. And here in the path URL, you can see we have received the course ID. So I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow. And here I'm going to enter the course ID. So this is our course ID moving forward. And then here it is asking me for the name. So here I'm going to map the name. So this is the first name. So I'm going to select the first name first, then space, and then the last name. Moving forward, and then here this tags, order ID, purchase ID are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new user, or you can say a new student in our ThriveCart Learn Plus account for the new purchase received through our FlexiFunnels. So now let's go and check our ThriveCart account. Here I'm going to move back. And then I'm going to click on this My Students. And here you can see we have successfully created a new user over here with the name Test Lead and the email as testlead555@pabblytudes.com. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as FlexiFunnels and our action as ThriveCart Learn Plus. So that whenever we are going to receive a new purchase through FlexiFunnels, then automatically the person who has made the purchase is going to be created as a new user or a student in our ThriveCart Learn Plus account. Okay, so these were the steps to how to enroll ThriveCart Learn user on FlexiFunnels purchase. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the Clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.